Hey guys, welcome to Zero Degree Reporter. In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you make your portfolio looking like this using React with fully responsive. If I show you from top to bottom, you can see that. Okay, so you can see like all the things: home, about, project, context, like whatever the need for the recruiter. So we have provided all the stuff like resume. Click on resume, it will open the resume. About all the things we have provided. Okay. Now it's time to show the responsiveness. If I open on the mobile side, so you can see hamburger icon and with a smooth scrollable nav bar. Okay. If I click on open, close like that, and you can see how it's looking great on the mobile side. Okay. The next thing is that okay, now it's time to make like how can you make your portfolio looking like this? So I will provide you whatever like GitHub repo link. You have to do just git clone and install all the package and open on your VS Code. Okay, so I've added some things. Okay, so you can see on the top like menu open, set menu open. It is for the what you can say. This is for the your like mobile suggestion like menu will be show or not. Okay, on the top bar there is a I import the top bar component if I show you. So top bar component has home about project context that all this stuff. You can change that all this stuff according to you. Okay, on the menu I've added all the menu things like home, about, project, context. Okay. The next thing come is that okay, the next thing come about the like this is an intro. Like, hello, I am this. So when I click on intro, so you can see that like, I've added the image. So you can change according to yourselves and change the name. Like I can change the name with hello. I am zero degree coder. So you can see that how it's looking great. Like I am a zero degree coder, full stack engineer. Yeah, if you want to add like animated something like you can also add that. And I am from Tamil Nadu, whatever, and you can change the this image also. All the things whatever you can need. Then the next thing comes is that about section. On the about section, you have to not do anything. Just change the text whatever you want to change. Like I'm Bala, so you can say I am John. uh, okay, so you can see that I'm John, and so on, so on. You can change that whatever you have the requirement. Okay. The next thing comes is that your proficiency, like whatever you have learned. So if you click on about and on the bottom, if you go, so you can see there's an icons folder. So you can change whatever you want to add. Okay. The next thing comes is that a project. On the project, if I show you, there's all the stuff which I have added, like fresh Nova or features, signing option. You can also add like this, whatever you can change. Just go, it's like it's so simple, go like it's straightforward. You can just copy the repository link and your deploy link and paste it on and change some text and make it your own. Okay. The next thing comes that contact form. So we click on contact. Okay. So you can see like just say hi, something like number and whatever you can see that. Okay, so you can change all the data according to yourself, and after that the copyright like footer. So yeah, it's also straightforward. So guys, I will provide the all the repository link. You have to do just git clone and install all the repository and make this website for you. And if you wanted to also know how can you deploy your portfolio, then please make sure you comment below on the this comment on the video. Yeah, if you have guys any question, don't forget to comment. Thank you.